Hi, this is John with a brief introduction to what you might find in Google Photos. So Google Photos has a lot to offer and it's free. So you've got those holiday snaps, you want to do something with them. Here's an example of what you could do. You got this individual's face, you want to make some changes because it looks dark and you're really not sure about sharing it on Facebook. You could look at what the AI produced, which is the enhanced version, and you can see as you touch different things you get images, the light's brought up slightly, etc. Maybe the portrait side suits you better, but I think the dynamic just brings that light up. You could go to black and white. I'm not so sure about that, but what I do know is when we go to this particular section, settings, you can see some real opportunities of bringing a little bit of extra detail to someone's face. You've got something like contrast, so you can slide that either way and you can get the image looking very different. With shadows, for example, again, we can bring those shadows out maybe and change also our highlights. Now, yeah, there are AI options that could do this automatically. You could do this on Lightroom, but sometimes it's just a little bit more interesting to see where the photograph could look and the different variations of a person's face, whether it might be more suitable for the colder or the warmer view of a face, and just in effect seeing from this free software the difference on the different aspects to the individual's face that we can get. Now, agree, the light is quite bright this side of the face here and maybe here, but at a very basic level we can actually enhance the background or lose it in effect. So that's something else you might wish to consider. Lots of different aspects of this photograph that you could change very quickly. If you're looking at the portrait lighting, again, these are different areas that you can look at and just decide whether it's going to work or not. But reality wise, I think when we go back to our original colours, we've got this here, we've got this brightness, and by bringing the brightness slightly out we are working with a better image than we had right at the beginning. The shadows can be developed just like this, bringing out the whole of that face nicely lit. You can remove the background, but I hope this has helped you think about what's available for you for free. Thank you.